The UK's new drone and model aircraft registration and education scheme will go live on 5th November. Anyone responsible for a drone or unmanned aircraft, including model aircrafts, weighing between 250 grams and 20 kilograms, will need to register as an operator. The cost for this is now £9 per year. You will also need to take and pass an online education test, but don't worry, this is free and renewable every 3 years and can easily be done online. Both of these requirements become law on the 30th of November 2019. When you register, you will get an operator ID with your certificate of registration. You must display your operator ID on your drones and model aircrafts. You can use the same operator ID for all of your drones and model aircrafts. Now, we all like to keep our data safe and up to date, right? So my advice would be to register directly with the CAA and not a third-party provider, just to be safe. If you are under 13 years of age, like me, you can only register with a parent or guardian. We have now added the official CAA registration link on our website under memberships, but remember, you can't use this link before the 5th of November 2019. Just because you are now registered does not mean you can use your drone commercially. If you need a commercial drone operator, you can really easily find one on our website. Just Google Drone Safe Register.